These are the 12 potential benefits of sarsaparilla that most people have no idea exist. Used for centuries by indigenous tribes, Ayurvedic herbalists, and even 16th century explorers, sarsaparilla has quietly been used for everything from skin conditions to fatigue. But now, modern science is catching up. Here's the kicker. The number one benefit? It's not detox, it's not skin health. It's something no one expected, and it's influencing how researchers think about inflammation, hormones, and longevity. But, and this is crucial, if you're using it wrong, you might be missing most of what this root can actually do. I spent 6 months studying clinical studies, testing preparation methods, and cross-checking every folk remedy to find the truth. Let's start with benefit number 12 and count down to the one that left researchers stunned. Number 12, supports skin conditions, eczema, acne, psoriasis. Sick of waking up to new breakouts, tired of that eczema that just won't go away, or dealing with psoriasis that makes you want to cover up? Here's what's actually happening. Your skin isn't the problem, your inflammation is. Every day, byproducts build up in your bloodstream. Irritants from food, stress, pollution, it all gets stuck in there. And where does your body show all that stress? Right out through your skin. That's where sarsaparilla steps in. This root contains plant compounds that bind certain molecules in your blood and support normal elimination before it becomes a pimple on your face. Researchers historically tested sarsaparilla on people with psoriasis, one of the toughest skin conditions to manage. The results? Those angry patches appeared to improve. But here's the interesting part. While it's quietly transforming your skin, it's also helping another area most of us struggle with, the gut. Quick note. If you decide to try this, I've linked quality sources in the description. Most store brands are garbage. Number 11, improves digestion and reduces bloating. Ever eat something and then spend the next hour holding your stomach, wondering why you feel like you swallowed a balloon? Yeah, that's the kind of misery sarsaparilla can help with. It gets your digestion moving by supporting those natural juices your body needs to break down the food. That means meals don't just sit there causing trouble, they move along, smoother and lighter. Even researchers have noted this gut-soothing effect. Less gas, less heaviness, less of that, ugh, why did I eat that regret. What's amazing is when your belly feels settled, your whole body thanks you. You've got more energy, a better mood, and you're not distracted by discomfort all day. And speaking of comfort, wait till you see how this same plant can ease stiff, aching joints. Number 10, eases joint pain and stiffness. You know that feeling when your knees ache just from climbing a few steps, or your back complains every time you stand up? Yeah, that's where sarsaparilla comes in. This root has special plant compounds that work like a natural cooling pad for inflammation. They calm down the swelling that builds up inside your joints, and when that pressure eases off, suddenly moving doesn't feel like such a struggle. In fact, preclinical trials suggest this effect when they tested it. Signs of arthritis eased up, movement became easier, and discomfort was much less noticeable. And people who try it often say the same thing. Within just a couple of weeks, they start feeling lighter on their feet and more flexible. Imagine bending, walking, or even exercising without that constant stiffness holding you back. And the cool part is, while it's helping your joints, it's also quietly strengthening something else you really need, your immune system. Number 9, strengthens the immune system. Ever notice how some people catch every little bug that's going around while others seem untouchable? That's the immune system at work, and sarsaparilla may support it. This root is like that friend who always has your back. It contains antioxidants and natural compounds that help your defenses stay sharp, so you're not the one stuck in bed with tissues and tea while everyone else moves on with life. Experts who studied this found the same thing: modulated defenses, steadier immune response. And people who take it often notice they go months without catching a single cold, even when the whole family is sneezing. And honestly, when you're not sick all the time, you don't just stay healthier, you have more energy for everything else in life. And speaking of energy, the next benefit is a game changer if you've been dragging yourself through the day feeling constantly tired. Number 8, reduces chronic fatigue. Imagine waking up tired no matter how much you sleep, like you're dragging yourself through the day, running on fumes. That's what a lot of people live with, and it's miserable. Sarsaparilla may help your stress system feel calm so your energy isn't burning out in spikes and crashes. Instead, it's steady, the kind of energy that lasts from morning to night without needing cup after cup of coffee. People who use it often say the same thing. I don't crash in the middle of the day anymore. My energy feels calm, but strong. And that's exactly what makes life feel lighter, when you're not fighting your own body just to stay awake. And this is where it gets wild. That steady energy is exactly why athletes started using Sarsaparilla long before most people even knew about it. Number 7. Marketed to boost male testosterone and athletic recovery. All right, let's talk about something most people don't expect from a simple root. Sarsaparilla has been promoted to keep hormones in check. For guys, that often gets described as healthier testosterone levels. And when testosterone is steady, you recover faster after workouts, your muscles don't stay sore as long, and you've got more energy to push through the day. Even research into saponins backs it up. The root has natural compounds that interact with hormone pathways. Athletes knew this decades ago, long before protein powders or fancy supplements were a thing. They might not have understood the science back then, but they knew it worked. Better performance is amazing, but this next benefit helps women with something even more frustrating.
Number 6. Balances hormones in both genders. Ladies, if you're dealing with PMS, mood swings, or menopause symptoms, this is huge. Sarsaparilla is traditionally used to balance both estrogen and testosterone naturally. No synthetic hormones needed. Hormones control so much: your mood, sleep, cravings, energy, and even digestion. When they are off, it can feel like your body is against you. Sarsaparilla gently supports your hormones to get back on track. Women often notice calmer moods, smoother periods, better sleep, and fewer cravings. And once your hormones start behaving, your body is ready for the next big shift, something that can literally flush out years of hidden toxins and leave you feeling lighter, cleaner, and more energized. Number 5. Deep liver and blood detoxification. Think of your liver as your body's filter. Over time, it gets clogged with toxins, processed foods, and all the stuff you pick up from the environment. That's when you start feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off. Sarsaparilla acts like a deep cleaning crew. Its saponins and polyphenols may bind to some compounds and help your body process them naturally. Even science has reported it can protect the liver and help your body manage harmful buildup. People actually feel the difference. Energy gets steadier, digestion smooths out, and your skin often starts glowing. It's like your body hit the reset button from the inside. A clean liver feels amazing, but wait until you see what it does to your gut bacteria. Number 4. Balances gut microbiome. Bloated every time you eat, stomach cramps that won't quit, feel like your body hates food? Your stomach is packed with bacteria. Some help you, some hurt you. Right now, the bad bacteria are taking over and making you miserable. Most treatments kill all the bacteria, good and bad. You end up with nothing and feel worse. Sarsaparilla may target the harmful bacteria, but spare the helpful ones. Your stomach can finally balance out and heal. People who tried this saw improvements in their digestion. No more bloating, no more pain. Stomach bacteria balanced and digestion improved. But there's more to this root than gut health. It does something to your circulation that changes how you feel every day. Number 3, improves blood flow and circulation. Did you know your blood might not be reaching all the places it should? Tiny vessels in your body, called capillaries, are like little highways delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells. If they're not working well, your brain feels foggy, your muscles tire easily, and even your skin looks dull. Sarsaparilla may help these little highways open up and work better. Some studies have shown that it supports how blood flows through these vessels, making circulation more efficient. That means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, and every part of your body gets the fuel it needs. People notice the change in small but powerful ways. Cold hands warm up, focus feels sharper, and energy lasts longer. So sure, better circulation feels incredible, but what it does for your mental state might surprise you even more. Number 2, reduces anxiety and improves mood. Think about those days when everything feels too much. Your brain is foggy and even small things annoy you. That's your cortisol, the stress hormone, running wild. Sarsaparilla works like a gentle reset for your nervous system. It may calm anxiety, protect your brain, and clear that mental fog. Instead of just masking how you feel, it helps your brain get back on track naturally. The best part? You stay fully yourself, just calmer, clearer, and more in control, without any heavy medications. But the most important benefit is something different, something that protects you before stress even hits. Number 1, adaptogenic stress defense. Sarsaparilla is often described as an adaptogen. This means it helps your body handle stress better. When stress hits, sarsaparilla may help keep your cortisol levels more normal. It also supports the small glands that make your stress hormones so they don't get worn out from working too hard. Remember the skin problems, low energy, and mood swings we talked about? Most of that comes from your stress system being overwhelmed. When sarsaparilla supports that root problem, everything else can improve naturally. Okay, now knowing all this is great, but you need to use sarsaparilla the right way to actually get these benefits. To get the full benefits of sarsaparilla, you need to prepare it the right way. You have a few options to choose from. Making a root tea is the most traditional method, and many people enjoy the ritual of brewing it fresh. If you want something that works faster, a tincture is the way to go. It gets absorbed into your system quickly, so you feel the effects sooner. Capsules are super convenient if you travel a lot or have a hectic schedule. They're simple, mess-free, and easy to remember. Then there's powder, which is great if you like adding it to smoothies, shakes, or even just a glass of water. It blends easily, so you can get your dose without changing your routine too much. The key is picking the form that actually fits your lifestyle, because if it's a hassle, chances are you won't stick with it. Timing matters too. Sarsaparilla is commonly taken on an empty stomach in the morning when your body can absorb all its goodness. Here is a little tip. Pair it with a bit of fat, like coconut milk or ghee, especially if you're using it for hormone support. That small addition may make a big difference in how your body uses the beneficial compounds. But even with the right form and timing, people often make mistakes that stop it from working properly. Some boil the root for too long, which can destroy the very compounds that give sarsaparilla its power. Others use dried root that's older than 6 months, which might be like taking nothing at all. And then there's the biggest trap, skipping days. Sarsaparilla only works when you're consistent. Think of it like working out. A single session won't change much, but doing it regularly can transform everything. So now you know 12 powerful benefits of sarsaparilla and exactly how to get them working for you with the right preparation and consistency. But a quick heads up, natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Start small, stay consistent, and if you're on any medication, check with your doctor first. But here's the twist. Most people are still missing out on an ancient remedy that fights inflammation, boosts energy, and protects your health like nothing else. It's nicknamed the remedy for everything but death, but almost nobody uses it correctly. In the next video, you'll discover the 10 biggest black seed oil benefits you've been missing and how to use it correctly. Don't wait, click here to watch now and see how black seed oil could completely transform your health in ways you never thought possible.